Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your phone using your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and at the back side of your speaker we have the plug with the lightning bolt icon. You need to open it. Here we go. And right here we have USB-C port. So connect the second USB-C cable right this port. Here we go. Also, your speaker should be turned on, so maybe you need to press and hold the power button to turn on it. And now, as you can see, it starts charging, so we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!